Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful beanie. As you see, my hat is divided into three parts. This is the brim, the body of the hat and the crown. This is a 4 rows repeat pattern, and believe me, I am going to make it so simple for you that even a beginner can try to make this. I'm going to use one of these two colors for my hat. These are acrylic 4-ply yarns, and I'm going to use a hook of 4.5 mm for this project. We have to begin with chains. These are 52 chains. 20 for the brim, 27 for the body and 5 chains for the crown. Always remember to have odd number for the body of the hat. Now chain 1 into the next stitch, slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the crown of the hat, and please put these stitches a little loose so that you are not going to struggle while doing these stitches. Yarn over. Now we have to do half double crochet into all the stitches across the row. This is the row that we have completed. We are not going to count this row because this is the foundation row. Now chain 1, flip the work, yarn over. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. Into the back loop, insert the hook and pull through all the 3. Yarn over. Into the next back loop, pull through, yarn over. Into the next back loop, pull through, yarn over. Into the next back loop, pull through both the loops. So this is going to be the brim of our hat. So complete 20 stitches for the brim, and we will meet again when these 20 stitches would be completed. When these 20 stitches are complete, put a stitch marker here so that you are not going to miss the stitches from where to begin the brim. I think I forgot to tell you, for this pattern you just need to know chains, single crochet and half double crochet to do this. So it is very easy for the beginners to follow the pattern and make the hat. Now we are going to begin the body of the hat. So into the next stitch, into the both loops, pull through 2, single crochet, yarn over into both the loops of the next stitch, pull through 1, yarn over into the same loop, insert the hook and pull through. There are 5 loops on the hook, pull through all the 5. Into the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 2, single crochet, yarn over into the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 1, yarn over into the same stitch, insert the hook and pull through. There are 5 loops on the hook, pull through all the 5. Into the next stitch, single crochet, yarn over into the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 1, yarn over into the same stitch, insert the hook and pull through. There are 5 loops on the hook, pull through all the 5. Into the next stitch, single crochet. So follow the same pattern and complete the row, and we will meet again when the row would be completed. When the row is complete, the last stitch of the row will be of single crochet. Now into the back loop of the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through. Into the next back loop of the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through. Into the back loop of the next stitch, slip stitch 3, slip stitch 4 and slip stitch 5, chain 1, flip the work. Again we have to do 5 slip stitches for the crown. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to begin the second row because this was the first row. So yarn over into both the loops, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2, 3, 4. So in this row we have to do half double crochet on the top of each stitch to this point, that is the body of the hat. So complete doing half double crochet to this point of the hat and we will meet again when the row would be complete. When these 27 stitches are complete, we are going to begin the same pattern for the brim of our hat, that is yarn over into the back loop, pull through 2, yarn over into the next back loop, pull through 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the row. We will meet again when the row would be completed. When the row is complete, chain 1, flip the work, yarn over into both the stitches, pull through 2. So always work into both the stitches for every row in the beginning like this. Yarn over into the back loop of the next stitch, pull through 2, yarn over into the next back loop of the next stitch, pull through 2. Follow the same pattern and complete all the stitches, that is 20 stitches, and we will meet again when these stitches would be completed. Now we are going to begin third row of our pattern. Now this is the back loop of our stitch, this is the front loop, this is the third loop. Insert the hook in, pull through all the 3, yarn over into this third loop, insert the hook in, pull through all the 3, yarn over into the third loop, pull through all the 3. So the purpose of doing this is to get a proper V on the top like this, proper V on the top of our hat. So this is going to be the third row of our pattern. I told you this pattern is very easy, just based on single crochet and half double crochet. Complete the row and we will meet again when the row would be completed, and at the end we have to do 5 slip stitches. After the row was complete, I did 5 slip stitches on the top for the crown for the 4th round. So in this round, this is the front loop and this is the back loop. Into the back loop, single crochet. Into the next back loop, single crochet. Into the next back loop, single crochet. So there would be proper V here and proper V here for the hat. So complete the row by doing single crochet into all these 27 stitches, and for the brim, do the stitches in this way to get V stitch here as well, and we will meet again when the row would be completed. When the row is complete, you see there are 2 proper rows of V that we have got. Now at the end of the row, into the back loop of the last stitch of the row, pull through all the 3, chain 1, flip the work, yarn over into both the loops of this stitch, pull through, yarn over into the back loop of all the stitches. We have to do the same pattern to complete the brim of our hat. So complete the row up till here, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. After the completion of all these 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 4, we are going to begin again the first row of our pattern. Into both the loops of the next stitch, single crochet, yarn over. Into both the loops of the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 1, yarn over, into both the loops, pull through. There are 5 loops on the hook, pull through all the 5, into the next stitch, single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all the 5, into the next stitch, single crochet. Follow the same pattern and complete the row. And at the end of the row, there would be a single crochet and 5 slip stitches. This is the first row of our pattern, and we will meet again when the row would be completed. For the next row, that is the second row of our pattern, I did 5 slip stitches on the top. Now into all the stitches, we have to do half double crochet, and we have to do these stitches into both the loops of both the stitches. So after this first row, we have to do simple half double crochet into all the stitches of the body of our hat. So complete this row by doing half double crochet, and the next row to the brim of the hat, that is these 20 stitches, and we will meet again when these rows would be completed. Now I completed these 20 stitches of the next row, yarn over. Into the third loop of every stitch, we have to do half double crochet. I'm going to tell you again, this is the first loop, this is the second loop, and third loop. Into all the third loops, we have to do half double crochet. So complete the row, and at the end of the row there would be 5 slip stitches. Complete the row, and we will meet again when the row would be completed. Now for the next row, I did 5 slip stitches on the top. Now into back loop of every stitch, we have to do single crochet. So these are the 4 simple rows with which you can make a very beautiful beanie. You see, the pattern is looking so pretty. So keep on repeating these rows to the length you require for your hat. And for the better results, take the measurement of the head for which you are going to make the hat, or if you are going to gift it to somebody, you would see this is stretchable also, so there is no need to worry. If you talk about my hat is for about 49 centimeters wide, and I made this hat for gifting purpose. So I don't have the circumference of the head, but you see, this is stretchable. So for joining these two ends, just do simple stitches with yarn needle and join both the ends. When these ends are joined, we are going to work on the top of the hat. Just do in and out and pull the yarn, and in this way complete doing the top of the hat. This hat will look like this when it will be completed. If you wish, you can keep the hat like this, or you can add pom-pom of this color on the top of it. For my hat, I am going to keep the hat like this. Tell me in the comment box if you like the pattern. I explained this hat in the best way possible to make it easy for you. This pattern is easy And this can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.